Hi, it's Stacy. I'm here at Empire Subaru at the parts counter with our parts associate, Maurice. And he's going to help us today while we continue to test the breadth of my automotive expertise. So I'm going to try to guess what each of these parts are, and Maurice has selected them himself. Well, let's see what we can do. What have you got? Let's do it. Okay, I know this one, believe it or not. This is a windshield wiper. Next, spark plug. This looks like an oil filter. Oh, okay. All right.
What about this one?
This kind of looks like it could be a gas cap, but it's not. All right, hold on. Oh, is this a solenoid of some sort? I don't know.
You need help?
Yes.
This is a thermostat.
This is a thermostat. I would not have guessed that. Interesting. Okay.
I have another one.
This is the battery for the key fob. 4 out of 5.
Good job.
Good job. Did it. Well, thank you so much, Maurice. And if you need any parts expertise, you can come down and see Maurice here at the parts counter at Empire Subaru.